Vas a YouTube. Joder, macho. Bro, are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck are you doing, dude? What a fucking idiot, eh? These fucking bikers, man, they don't know shit. Are you okay, dude? Dude, you can't come out like that. You're right there in the left lane.
You can't pass me on the right.
Yeah, because you came out.
You can't pass me on the right going straight. You cannot pass me on the right going straight.
Dude.
You got a camera.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you can't pass me on the right going straight, man.
You
gotta go right. You gotta wait for me. You gotta wait for me, man.
Dude,
you can't pass me.
You came in front of me.
Dude.
I'm going faster than you.
Dude.
You came in front of me.
I was in this lane.
You cannot come here when I'm coming up behind you. You have to stay here. This is where cyclists stay. You were not here. You were here.
This is one lane.
You were
here. There is no this side or that side. This is one lane. I'm a vehicle. You have to stay behind me.
Dude, you're gonna go on YouTube because of this shit. Because you want to argue about this shit.
Dude, I don't give a fuck if you put me on YouTube.
Yeah, of course.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go take a picture of your license plate.
Yeah, okay, you go ahead, do that.
I will.
Go ahead, right now. Go ahead. Go right ahead, come. This guy's arguing with me about it.
You're completely wrong, man.
How am I wrong?
Someone on the right.
Dude, he cut me completely off.
Go past someone on the right.
I'm trying to stop.
Fuck, you're just an idiot driving. You don't pass someone on the right with a cyclist.
Dude, he came in front of me.
You're just an idiot.
He came in front of me.
You're just an idiot. I saw the whole thing right behind you.
Okay, go right ahead.
You fucking serious, dude? You fucking serious, man? You're gonna kill me, man. I'm driving a bike, dude.
Should have been in the lower gear. What the fuck are you doing, dude? What are you doing? Move your fucking car. Move your fucking car. You are the cunt. No, no. How am I wrong? No, how? This is my lane, this way. No, you the fucking doers. Fucker.
What's your profanity?
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you. Bloody hell, man. Fuck you. Stupid fucking prick. And you fucking retard.
Oh my God, look how beautiful this country is. What, you wanna go? Bring it, bring it! Hang your no, you wanna go? Bring it, bring it!
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Man, what a butt.
Another one in the middle of the road.
Another one.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You're in the middle of the road. On my first charity run that I did, very briefly I met this gentleman. What the fuck are you doing? It's in the middle line. People are a little bit special when they drive. Jesus fuck. Do you want to pick a lane? Fucking retard. What is this guy doing? You okay? Alright everyone, I think that's going to end today's video. A little bit boring, there's not much happening sadly. I just had to do one or two little errands and I want to go give Lightly a clean and a bit of a service. Maybe I'll take you guys along for that. But yeah, thanks a lot for all the love and support. Appreciate it. Cheers.